This is a gorgeous community. This is our first Integrity Homes tour that we've ever done. And I gotta say, this builder is out of, I believe they're out of Chantilly. And they do a great job. They do a great job. This layout is something else. So let's go and take a look. Hi, I'm Abraham Walker with Ask A Walker, your Northern Virginia real estate agent. If you're ready to take the next step in your real estate journey, whether that's selling a house, buying a home, or building a dream home, use the link in the description to fill out your perfect home questionnaire. After you complete the brief form, we'll schedule a time to meet online via Zoom to answer all of your real estate questions. If you still need to, subscribe to the channel to see our future videos about living in Northern Virginia. Please do us a favor and like this video to help the algorithm find more people like yourself. So as soon as you walk in, you have a nice, large, wide foyer area. And in this model here, we have a bedroom on the basement level with its full bath. One thing I want to tell you, Integrity Home puts a full bath in all of its models in this development here. You go through that door and you have your 2-car garage. Then you can go upstairs to the main living area. So this is the bedroom on the basement level. You could make this into an open layout. We're going to see that layout in the model next door, so you can have like a little flex space. But what I like about this is it's a sizable bedroom. It's a legit bedroom. The ceiling height is nice in here. You have yourself a nice closet as well. And then the piece de resistance is this full bath with a nice walk-in shower. Plenty of space here. Plenty of space. Great job. Great craftsmanship too with this level. So let's count the stairs as we go up, and then we'll go to the bedroom level. I mean the main level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 steps upstairs. And now we are on the main living level. Right, so as soon as we land, we have the powder room. And then we go into the living space. So we have ourselves our living room, dining room, and then this is a rear kitchen model, right? This is the rear kitchen. This is a gorgeous layout. We've seen a couple rear kitchens on this channel, and every time we've seen them, I've been impressed not only by the amount of cabinet space that you can get on a rear kitchen layout, also the fact that you have these windows here that bring in a lot of natural light to the space you're going to be working in, right? You have your sink right here by the window, so you look to your left, look at all that counter space to the left. You look to your right, even more counter space, right? We have our double wall oven over here. We have, this is the pantry now. So we have some built-ins for our pantry. So we don't have a walk-in pantry with doors. We do have a built-in pantry here. Gorgeous island with some storage underneath it as well. Love the fact that we actually have a vented hood. I dislike those microwave hoods. We all know that already. And look at that. Did you see it? I don't know if you see it yet. We got a microwave. They got the microwave drawer here. How many times have we been in these units, and this is actually a faux double oven where the upper unit is really a microwave and then the bottom unit is the oven. Not here. That's a double oven, and there's your microwave right here, already built in. Gorgeous layout. Gorgeous layout. I mean, look at the amount of counter space here. You can go with some wide format chairs here, or you can go with some smaller bar stools, get 4 seats up here. great space, great space. Another thing that's nice about this island is that the sink is over here. And so since the sink is over here, you're not gonna be, nothing over here is gonna be wet. So if you like to make a lot of bread, or if you like to do a lot of arts and crafts projects, or if you like to entertain, this space can be filled with hors d'oeuvres and all kind of other settings and for your entertainment delight, right? And then we have the space where you're going to spend probably most of your time, right? Watching TV. You got your fireplace over here. I'm not a fan of those fireplaces. You all know that. And it's an option. Then we have our dining room. The dining room here can seat 8 comfortably, right? You can still put 2 chairs at the end here, and you still have a good amount of space to kind of walk around. So this is an in unit. Because it's an in unit, you're going to get light coming in from the sides as well. Look at how many windows they put on the sides. We really haven't seen something like this. I think Toll Brothers also does a great job with window placement on in units, but this is gorgeous, right? Nice sunny spring day. Let's get one more view or vantage point, and then we'll go up to the second level, which has 2 suites. That's right. So we have 2 bedrooms that have their own baths on the second level. Let's count the stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there's a little landing here, right? 14, and then we turn. 15, 16, 17. So another 17 steps. And now we're on the second level. Now this level has 2 bedrooms, and then it has stairs going to the 4th level. So let's go explore a little bit. This is going to be the smallest of the bedrooms. It does have its own bathroom and a walk-in closet. It has its own bathroom and a walk-in closet. So there's your walk-in closet right there. This is off to the back of the property. Now I'm not sure if with integrity, if you choose a kitchen that is off to the back of the property, if you could still have a balcony. I'm not sure. I need to ask that question. If that's a question you have, let me know in the comment section. So this is nice, right? What do you think? Oh, I love that they have a window in here. I don't think I saw this in my first walkthrough. I love when you have windows in bathrooms because you get some natural light in here in case you're doing makeup or if you're doing something that needs precise lighting. You can get some natural sunlight. So we have ourselves our washroom right here. Plenty of space to do side by sides. Right. And then we have the owner's suite. Look at the size of this owner's suite. What I most like about the owner's suite in this model here is not only does it use the space wisely, look at how you have these windows over here and you have the perfect wall for your bedroom. I mean, for your bed. Look at that. Is that wall not meant for a nice sized bed? Now, we're not going to fault them. I'm not really a fan of these barnyard doors, but you know, I know they're trendy. So you have yourself a huge walk-in shower, followed by a double vanity. And then you have your toilet closet or your little toilet section. And look at the size of the closet. Nice little walk-in closet here. Plenty of space to kind of be organized. You can get something on the top here if you wanted to. So some additional storage there. Just a nice space. And we have the linen closet inside of the bathroom. Integrity has done a great job designing this place. Let's just go step into the shower here. The shower space has 1, 2, 3, 4 shower heads right there. You also have your nice little bench there. Plenty of space for 2 people to take a shower at the same time. Let's go to the 4th level to check out that view. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we turn. Right, so we have 3 steps, or 4 steps, and we turn. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then we turn. Right, so let's view back down. 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, so that's that, and this is upstairs in this loft space, right? So we have the hot water heater right there. Oh, let me get this straight for you. Thank you. All right, we also have a little powder room up here, which is a nice addition. You have a little wet bar section here, so that means that there is some water here. There's another water line there. I wonder if you could put a full bathroom up here as well. Because then if you could put a full bathroom up here, then you could have yourself another suite with additional just additional capabilities, right? Look at this. Look at the windows here. So there's windows on this side, and look, there's even a window over there as well. Nice ceiling height to say that this is on the 4th level. Now let's go take a look at that view, and then we'll say goodbye. All right, so this is the view. So there's plenty of development here. I think we're seeing this unit in its, I think there's like 33% of the, 30% or so of the development that's actually built out here. So you have plenty of time to select the layout that you love, a placement that you love as well. Whole Foods is less than 5 minutes away, and this is your outdoor area. Perfect for entertaining. You got your little wet bar there. Plenty of space for seating. So that's it. So if you have any questions about this unit or other new construction properties, let me know by reaching out. There is a link in the description to the Perfect Home Questionnaire. Fill out that form and we will schedule a time to meet online via Zoom. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video. Peace.